You don't do am, Baba God, you don't do am. You don't do am, Baba God, you don't do am. Baba God too much. Baba God too much. That's all. Baba God too much. Baba God too much. Baba God too much. Baba. Yeah. Hey. Hmm. Oh. Hmm. Mona no mind me. Oh. I greet una. I don't come again. It's your sister. AB Comedy. Today I don't come. You get some things wey dey bother me wey I want to talk today. I no go lie for una. Una no mind those people wey dem dey pass. The people wey dey sell things o, in case of if you wan buy. Make I tell una something wey dey disturb my head. Something wey dey wahala me. Something wey dey disturb me from my bottom of my heart. From my bottom of my heart. For my innermost obi ala obi m. Ala obi m. N'ime obi m, obi nke si n'obi m wee gbadaa. Maka iwewe m, if I vex, it go from my inside my belly, and it go come out, it go dey come, it go reach from my mouth, it go come out, it go come blow. So Mona no try this afternoon. Mona listen to me. I don't come again. It's your sister, AB Comedy. Hey, you get some things wey dey wahala me. 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 Me, I don't know wetin dey happen. All these men. I no go lie for now. All this men, wetin dem dey do, I no just like. I no just like, because me, the thing don't pay me. My vex don dey. I come dey vex, vibrate. I dey vex well. I no go lie for now. I dey vex. No, I don't try me. I don't fuck up. I dey vex. The person talk na bad thing. Make I no talk. Wetin I dey do? Why I no go talk? Wetin I dey do? Na dey fuck up. Like I tell you now, all these men, some of them dey fuck up. No good. The things wey una dey do, wey dem dey do no good. The things wey una dey do no good. You go see one baby wey dey with you. If you married man, you don marry, respect your wife, respect your marriage. You know say I tell una say I go come for una. I don arrive right now today. You get wife, why can't you stay with your wife? Why you dey jump dey go? Where you dey jump dey go? Where you dey jump? You no go dey where you dey. No be you say for better for worse, for richer and for poor, dey there. We die there. So no go try am. No just go try am. Go get one baby for outside. No just try am. When you get good woman wey dey do okay for you, woman wey dey take care of you, make you happy, serve you food when you after you come back from work, ask you. Even some men sef, make I tell una, my sisters, make I just tell una something. So some men sef, even their wife dey do everything for them, they no dey appreciate am. Dem go nag the men, dem go nag from morning till night, and nag from morning till night. The man can nag. You forget say na the woman, na so the woman go work, go wake up, cook food, pass food for her, my husband, my everything, my love, we will do everything. But after, na so this man go dey talk to this woman anyhow. They tell am bad word. They tell am in the midnight, this woman go dey cry midnight. Why are you doing that for the woman? Why are you wickeding your wife? Why they wicked your wife? Man change am for you. Why they wicked for your wife? Your wife wey God give you, the woman go still cook finish, serve you. The woman no do you anything because you don see one ikebe for outside. You go come back, your face don fly. You go come dey shout. You no like the size wey the time wey you marry your wife no be the size wey you choose, na wetin you choose. So why you come dey vex for the woman? The woman go still good for you, the woman go dey happy, dey take care of you, make you happy, make e be say una dey happy, but you go dey change am for am. Any small thing you go tell am in word, you go tell am in life, you go tell am many things, you go call am names. Even the secret wey him don tell you the time wey before he marry you, na so you go use am yab am. My brother, I dey vex today, I don change am full am. Na dey fuck up. Dat thing no good at all. Let the past be the past. No be say if you don marry your wife finish, any small thing you go come dey use am dey yab am. Any small thing if she talk, you do something bad wey your wife take correct you, say my husband, this thing wey you do no good oo, make you change am like this, you go change am for am. You go start dey curse this woman, curse am, tell am how im mama take born am that day. No dey tell the woman like that, e no good. All those things dey hurt. If you dey the position of the woman, make the woman dey tell you this kind of thing, are you going to enjoy? Are you going to happy? My brother, make una dey take suffer. This life na small small. Wetin you know say they no go do your sister, no do am for another person sister. No be say you go dey yab the woman, you go dey tell am many words, you go dey curse am, dey tell am say look at you. Some go dey yab their wife, call the wife many type of names wey no good. All those things no make sense. If you hear your wife dey make una dey jolly, I know say sometimes man go want to be himself. You wey be woman, I go come for you another day, but I wan tell the men today, abeg my brothers, abeg make una dey change am now. No good na. The thing wey una dey do no good. If you hear your wife get something, no dey curse am, dey tell am any bad word, no dey even beat am, no dey curse am. Instead, for that moment, if you have shayo for your house, una drink am o. Step down, just dey one place, just go one side. Don yab her, don tell bad word for your wife. No dey shout for your wife. All those things no dey make sense at all. No dey talk all those things. Some men sef, I know say if I speak this grammar, people go laugh me, but I go speak am. Today, I go speak am. Some men sef, they no dey wetin dem dey call am sef? They no dey romantic. Wetin dem dey call am be that? They no dey romantic. They too dey harsh. Even though they wan do the other one, the way wey dem go take talk to their wife, like say na one kind person wey just pick for outside. You no go even use style one kind of jolly before you go even. Na so you go call him wife anyhow. My brother, una dey make me vex. No good. Abeg make una dey take am sofri. Dey romantic. Abeg, make you dey romantic. No dey do all those things. No be say you go just dey do your wife, you go just dey do your wife anyhow. Your wife na your wife. You see all those girls wey una dey get for outside o, make I tell una o. Make I tell una well, make I tell una o. You see all those girls wey una dey get for outside, wey una say na outside, wetin dem dey call am sef? Outside kitchen, outside chick. Those una girls wey una dey say una be outside chick for una. If anything happen, omo, their leg na for their back e dey dey o. You see that their back of leg, na for back you go see am, for the back of their head. Dem go just, na your wife go dey there for you. Na your wife go do everything for you. Any outside chick wey come, if you have problem wey come, therefore na because of say you get one kind of excess money, im dey target make e look like say im be better person, but im no be better person o. E get one kind thing wey you go full, make you go tell that your outside chick say they don sack you for work. Pre ten d like you just say they don sack you for work, you don have anything kpata again. You go see your outside chick, you go go dey follow another man o. But you see your wife go dey there with you. Na so your wife go even dey bring one wey im get, wey im don save the time wey you dey give am. Na so you go dey bring am, dey cook, dey do everything, una dey manage. But you go still dey go dey cheat. I don't know, cheat dey for una blood o. I don't know. Na so after dem go say what do you call it again? uh, oh 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 what do you call it? They say is a nature nature for what? Which be wetin be nature? Person wey go spoil, pikin wey go spoil. E no matter, this one no be nature o. This one na person wey wan live im life, na so e wan live im life. E dey tell me na all the whole men dey do like that. They have some responsible men wey dey no get time. They don't have time. Even some women go carry their body dey come dey give the person. The person go say, I reject you. I have my wife at home. You will be surprised. So all the more na dey take time o. More na dey take time. The thing wey una dey do don too much for una o. More na dey take time. This thing wey una dey do too bad. Me, I no just like that thing wey una dey do. All those things wey be say una dey go dey do, una go dey fuck up, una go dey carry all this girls for outside wey be say they no fit stand for una for one thing. E no make sense o. E no make sense. Just know say na your woman dey there o. For better, for worse, for richer, for poor, na your wife na go dey there o. Na go dey there o. So anything wey una dey do, una dey feel say una dey on top now. That thing no make sense o. If you tell that your chick outside chick wey una dey call am, if you tell am say you get wahala, you go jar o. You go see im leg dey touch for im back or for im head o. Make e dey shine your eye o. Make una dey shine am. Make una dey shine am. Na wetin dey wahala me today. I say make I come tell una. I no wan hear about Mama Nkechi today because I no wan hear im story today. But na wetin I dey tell una today na im be my problem. Una wey be men, make una dey take am easy. Make respect una wife, respect una home, because everything wey you dey do, if you na so you go dey in front of your kids, you go dey shout for your wife, for your beautiful wife wey you get, wey God give you. You go dey shout for am. Na so you go dey shout for am in front of your kids. Kids go dey look. If dem dey go, dem go say, the time I was going, I see my mother, my father, dem dey fight. All those things no make sense o, my brother. Make una dey change. No good. Learn. I know say women, you have character, but learn how to tolerate us na small. No be until you do am gara. Respect yourself. Even some go carry disease. I hear yesterday one woman say im husband carry disease, come give am for house. Dem dey complain the thing, dem dey judge the thing open more everywhere. I dey hear am. Yesterday he go carry disease kolokako and go and give im wife. The wife say, let's go and treat it. E no gree make dem go treat am o. This woman don cry say this woman come and report that he's tired, that the husband carry sickness. He don't want to go and cure it. So all those things, abeg, now dey beg una, make una dey careful. Make una dey careful. The one wey una get, una dey manage am. Dey with una wife, una dey jolly. And God go bless una. And God go give una knowledge to dey follow us. No say woman, the pampers like egg. So e be, is your sister. E be comedy. Bye bye.